Wow! Happy birthday, great one, as you step into this glorious new season today. It is my prayer that the good hand of Jehovah will become your banner. His glory will continue to rub off on you. His light will continue to lighten your path and cause you to stand out in all your dealings. I pray and declare that in this new phase of your life, God is making you 1,000 times more. Your barns and storehouses will be full. Your gates will remain continually open. The irresistible aura of God's favor will compel all men and women to favor and honor you. God, by His Spirit, will stretch your mind ahead of times and seasons and grant you insight and understanding into His divine plans and purposes. You are permanently separated from the errors that cause destiny. You will not disappoint God. Your influence and impact will be celebrated in time and eternity.
Thank you for watching and God bless you. Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my page. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye.